हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है। सो दिस इज़ समथिंग विच वी आर ईगरली वेटिंग। सो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से नोटिफिकेशन है ऑन द कम्यूटेशन। सो वी विल सी दैट हियर। सो प्लीज़ काइंडली, इट्स अवर रिक्वेस्ट, शेयर दिस अपडेट फ्रेंड्स to the other pensioners, and please subscribe to the channel for the latest banking, pension and related upcoming updates के लिए। सो देखते हैं यहाँ पे क्या है पूरा। 23 जुलाई 2025 की अपडेट है। ऑफिस मेमोरेंडम रिडक्शन ऑफ पेंशन कम्यूटेटेड पीरियड, भारत सरकार। The undersigned is directed to refer representations received regarding restoration of commuted pension after 12 years instead of 15 years for the consideration. So in this regard, it is stated that Department of Pension and Pensioners Welfare is the nodal department for formulation of policies related to pension and other retirement benefits of central government civil employees covered under the Central Civil Services Pension Rule 2021. The implementation of such rules and instructions lies with the Administrative Ministry, Department, Organization of the employees covered by these rules. So यहाँ पे जो क्लियरली मैंशनड है, अभी जो कॉम्यूटेशन का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है वो क्लियरली इन हैंड्स ऑफ जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव मिनिस्ट्री है उसके हाथ में है। द लॉ रिगार्डिंग कॉम्यूटेशन हैज़ बीन वेल सेटल्ड by the Honorable Supreme Court dated 9/12/1986 in writ petition 3958/61 of 1983, Common Cause Society and other petitioners versus Union of India in 1986. The Supreme Court considered all relevant factors like interest rate, mortality rate, and the commutation table in existence in 1986 and gave a decision that the commutation period should be fixed at 15 years. The Honorable Delhi High Court in the judgment dated 17 January 2019 in WPC number 1222/2015 filed by form of retired IPS officer versus Union of India and another observed that the pension, commutation of pension are policy matters which are examined and decided on the basis of recommendations of the Pay Commission by the authorities. Further, the Honorable Supreme Court of India in its judgment dated 15/4/2019 in petition for special leave to appeal C number 8852 of 2019 arising out of the final judgment and order dated 17th January 2019 in WPC number 1222/2015 passed by the High Court of Delhi at New Delhi delivered that we have no reason to entertain this petition. Accordingly, the special leave petition is dismissed. Also, the Honorable High Court of Punjab and Haryana, in their order of CWP number 9426 of 2023, containing 808 writ petitions regarding restoration of commuted pension after 12 years, have directed to effect recoveries which was stayed by way of interim orders. So, in view of above judgments and orders of Honorable Supreme Court, it has been settled that the matter regarding restoration period of commuted pension to be decided by the government. So friends, थिंग्स यहाँ पे बड़ी ईजिली इन्होंने क्लैरिफाई कर दी है मिनिस्ट्री की तरफ से। जो कॉम्यूटेशन है वो गवर्नमेंट करेगी डिसाइड, नॉट द कोर्ट. So accordingly, the restoration period of commutated pension to be decided by the government. So this is the main update here. So please make sure to share this and please subscribe to the channel.